Hey, it's Gigi the Gadget Goddess. I wanted to get this unboxing done because it's been a device I've been waiting for over a week now. Shout out to FedEx. Not really. Let's get started. I picked up this watch for a steal. I will post receipt here to let you know how much I paid, which is under half price. One of the greatest interests I have in this watch is that I can charge it with any cheap charger. So it will wirelessly charge with any charger that I have to wirelessly charge my phone. It is a big watch. Sorry, it's kind of polleny out here. They not have any juice, so I'm just checking. It's not. I have a wireless charger inside, which looks like that'll be the route I'll be taking. Let's see what's in the box. Looks like books and charger. If I can get them to come out. Yeah, this is the charger. This is the charging cord, and that's a book. This watch comes in a gray and black. I really don't see much of a difference other than the band. Let me get this thing juiced up, and then I'll come back and check back in with you. I might be inside of that. We are maybe 2 hours later. The watch is asking to be paired. It tells me I need to download Huawei Health app from the app gallery or another app store. Fortunately, the Huawei Health app was already downloaded to the phone by default, so we just need to set everything up. Fitness data cannot be uploaded to the cloud on your current location. It doesn't like the fact that I'm in the United States. Here in the app, they have a place for devices. You click there and you say you want to add a device. And it tells me I need to turn the Bluetooth on. Of course, I'm going to enable the Bluetooth and allow usage of the app to use the Bluetooth. It immediately picked up on the watch, and we're going to link the two things. Oh, retry because I was so delayed. They're paired. All right, there's an update for the watch. So I'm gonna let that update. I'll get back with y'all when it's done. Update just finally finished. In here you set up your notifications, what you want to get alerts for, what you don't. Only notifications that appear in the notification panel can be sent to the wearable device. So I'm guessing if you don't have it set to show up as a pop-up on your phone, then it will not appear on your watch. Currently we are connected. We can play music. We have health monitoring, alarms, weather reports, favorite contacts, and notifications are enabled. If we get disconnected from our Bluetooth, we get an alert. We want that turned on. So if we leave our phone somewhere, we know. If you want to restore to the factory settings, you would click there. And of course, that's checking for updates, which we just had one. I wouldn't imagine we have another, but I'll check just in case. Oh, here we go again. We're back from update number 2. We'll check and see if there's another update. And there is. Round 3. So after 3 updates, let's hope we're finished. And it says we're up to date. Yay. That's taking our watch down to 97%. We lost 3% with the updates. Not bad. This watch is supposed to last 2 weeks. What I will do is charge it so I can get a fresh start tomorrow and see how long it really lasts. So when I add the first impressions part to this video, I can give you an accurate understanding. And we're back. For all my spec heads, I'm just gonna throw specs on the screen for y'all. I'll put them somewhere around here just so you can get the full effect of specs. Some people just love specs. Specs. The Huawei Health app is required. You don't have to jump through any hoops to get the Huawei Health app. It's in the iOS store. It's in the Huawei store. It's in the Android store. It's just randomly available on the internet. This is day 6, 60%. I've never had a watch to go this long without needing to be charged. I did not use always on display. The first day I used it with the Huawei, I've been using it with the iPhone ever since. My iPhone gets tons more alerts than the Huawei did, and that's why I chose to try it with the iPhone. I am going to list for you my usage for each day because I kept that for these 5-6 days. I did think I would lose a lot of my features with this watch when I transferred from Android to iOS, but nothing could be further from the truth. If you are using this with an Android device, Huawei, you're supposed to get more watch faces. Not in the US, not in Canada. So you can scratch that. You only can use the watch faces that came on the watch. You cannot respond to text messages on this watch, regardless, iOS and Android. It does not matter. iOS, Android, you can take phone calls on this watch. Quality is fine. The stock band that came with this watch is a silicone type material. I will leave that up on the screen. I can't recall off the top of my head what it's called. It's made out of the same material that Apple Watch bands, the ones that come with the watch, not the cheap ones you get off eBay, are made out of. Silicone bands stretch throughout the day. If they're just plain silicone, they lose their shape. This has a little more, oomph to it. This is the black watch. To me, there's no difference in the black watch and the Nubia gray watch except for the band that comes with the watch. The Nubia gray comes with a leather band. The black watch comes with more of a sporty band. So I picked up a couple aftermarket bands. You will see them throughout this video. Links will be in the description for both. I got these screen protectors just because fingerprint magnet of the glass on the watch. I don't even know if you can see that out here. I barely even touched it. It's covered in fingerprints. The black one works really well with this black band. Not at all concerned about the sapphire glass display. And the back of the device is ceramic. That's one of the differences in this one and the non-pro version of this watch. I was shocked at how light this watch was because I've never owned a titanium watch. Other little fun facts with this watch. Heart rate monitoring is random. It takes it throughout the day. This watch has 32 gigabytes of RAM for all of my RAM files. This watch has a heck of a lot of RAM. Only 4 gigs of memory. Another fun fact, even without service, once you turn on the watch and say, hey, I'm going walking or I'm going running or whatever, it tracks your movement through GPS. So if you go somewhere, decide to try a new route and you get lost, it can bring you back to where you started. All of that without service. Score 1 for Huawei on that one. For all of my runners, there are 10 running modes for this device. There are over 100 different training methods for workouts on this device. Heart rate sensor is a given. Step tracking. It records your blood oxygen level. It's waterproof up to 50 meters. It does sleep tracking and can detect up to 6 different types of sleep issues. It gives you little notations on what your sleep was like and why. Amazing to me. It has stress level tracking, has a flashlight. I think most watches have a flashlight these days. And you can take a picture with your watch. You have your camera going or whatnot. It does have NFC. It's not for payments though. It's just if you want to use the phone to change the wallpaper on the watch. It runs its own OS. Gestures are familiar to Android. Wear OS ties in the whole 9. You pull down and you got settings to drain your phone if you swam in it or whatever. The settings buttons are find my phone, do not disturb, alarm, and screen on. So all of those are there. You swipe up from the bottom and there are notifications. I can clear them all with one button. Great. If you can't tell already, I was highly impressed by this watch. The only watches I've been able to be happy with were Apple Watches and Tizen watches. Wear OS has never tickled my fancy. Things that I don't like because no watch is perfect. This sapphire display, AMOLED display, I like the size. It's not uncomfortable or anything like that. I am complaining about how randomly I can get smudges on this thing from just touching it, and everything is a touch. The top button is more of like a menu and a back button, and the bottom button is whatever you program it as. Emojis don't come through text messages, so you'll get just this random asterisk. I will show you examples of messages that have come through. Huawei limiting the capabilities of this watch in the United States with a Huawei device. I should be able to get these extra watch faces. This is the most functional watch that I've ever used with an iPhone that was not an Apple Watch. Now, I'm not the queen of watches. I do know that there are some watches such as the Tick watch, and there's another watch that I can't recall off the top of my head. Maybe I'll stick it in here in the video when I think about it, that people are crazy about. If I switch from one device to another, it erases the whole watch. It never did that. I could pair it to one, and right now I can switch right back to the Huawei, and everything I've had set up will stay like it is. I don't have to erase the watch to start all over. So I thought, wow, this has never happened for me. I'd like to thank Huawei for such a wonderful watch, such a premium design, such great features, and bringing my faith back to using a watch with a phone that's not the same company. I just always thought, if you get this kind, you gotta stay with this kind. Apple goes with Apple, Tizen goes with Samsung, Android goes with Android. But you know, those are the things. I like to change phones like underwear, so I need a watch that's gonna be able to go with whatever phone I got. And I think I found that now in the Huawei Watch GT 2 Pro. Thanks for watching. Thanks for those who subscribe. Hope you liked the video, and I hope to catch you on the next video.